To set up your bank account, navigate to the Accounting tab at the top. Click it and choose Bank Accounts. From this page, you can watch a video or check out their guide, but I'll choose Add Bank Account here. Then you can search for your bank and filter by your country. Once you find it, select your bank. And then using Plaid, you can simply continue and log into your bank. Logging in will connect your bank account. Once you've set your bank up, you should also add your preferred payment services like Stripe or PayPal. That way your customers can pay invoices online and get money into your account faster. To set those up, go to Sales and then Online Payments. Then here, click Start with Card Payments. From this screen, you can click Add Information to start connecting your Stripe account. Then from this pop-up, you could continue setting up Stripe. I'll close this for now and back out.